Hello everyone, this is Sunny from Wolf Equipment. It's my great honor to introduce a WE10 operation today. Now I'm on the excavator and you can see I have the fasten belt. And here is the joystick for control the working. For the right joystick, when we operate, you can see the boom will move. And if I take it to left and right side, it will control the bucket working. And for the left joystick, you can see the digging arm would work. Also the actuator would rotate. And this small lever is for controlling the dagger blade. And here you can see the control lever for forwards and backwards. Ooh. Okay, here we also have the light switch for controlling the working light on. And this is the fan for oil cooler. Here is the pedal for the hoses. It can match with the auger or hammer attachment. We also have the left pedal. The left pedal, here is the left pedal is for controlling the swing. We have optional swing arm for control the boom. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you.